Hello, my name is Tisha Kulgod and I'm 20 years young. I'm from Ajmer, Rajasthan, and I'm a person who very strongly and intently believes in the concept of karma. I believe no one in this entire world can deny the saying that what goes around comes back around and it will always find its way back to you, because whatever I have done in my life has find its own way of coming back to me, be it both good and bad. And that also explains why I chose mandalas as the epicenter of my own life, because mandalas are something that has taught me the importance of being understood more than to be loved. It has taught me patience, it has kept me calm even on the most chaotic days. So that it has the power to calm everyone around itself. So I decided one day that why not do the honors to do so. So I started doing murals, mandala murals basically, in my city, and I am very happy to tell you people that I have completed 7 murals in my city in a year now. And also, I'm very happy to tell you that I have invested myself so much into mandalas and I have manifested this art form so much that the last project I worked on was for a commercial business named Karma. So that was the snap in moment for me, because the thing and the concept I very strongly believe in was the very name of the project that I was working on that time. So it was a very overwhelming experience for me. Also, I'm a person who likes combining different art forms. I always like combining one or two or three different art forms together or different mediums together, because I'm always curious about the outcome, that what would be the result, would they look good or not, and every kind of what's and hows. So that is also the reason I can never work with pencil colors alone. I would always want acrylic colors or watercolors on the side of the table, because that's the beauty of art. It makes you realize that it makes you realize the different horizons. It helps you explore a lot more opportunities, it helps you explore the world, it helps you explore every possible thing that in normal life and through normal mediums you wouldn't ever be able to explore that thing. And I would also like to share this with you that I had represented my university in West Zone 2023, that was held at MMU University, Mulana, Ambala, Haryana. And I had participated in the category of on the spot painting and I secured third position. And that was the moment for me, because my university has never achieved a single trophy in the West Zone category, and I was the first one to bring that trophy to my house, to my university. So that was a very precious moment for me, and it also did made me realize a lot of things. But as I always believe and as I always say, that there is always something more to add to your story, there's always something more to learn. And I'm a person who's very curious to learn a lot more things, and I'm open to learning more art forms, more different mediums, more softwares, more technical terms. And I would love to do that at Arch and make my vision and make my motive more stronger, more vivid, and I would love to work towards my motive at Arch. Thank you.